Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 5-17, the Sump Oil Drain Bush for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Alright, so file new, part MMGS. Okay, let's go top, view, sketch, circle, let's do, it's going to be dimension of 19, it's going to go down 10 mils, feature extrude, 10. I'm not going to worry about doing mid-plane. Sketch on the bottom part, another circle. That's going to be it's going to be 15. 15 mil. It's going to be feature, extrude. That's going to be extrude 3 mil. Then it's going to be on top here will be sketch, circle. That's going to be 12. Really? 12, thank you. That's going to be feature, extrude, cut, through all, and done. There we go, that's there. Now we need to go to thread. Actually, we need to do a plane on top of there. Done. There we go, thread. We want that circle, that plane, blind all the way through, excellent, but it's going to be what's it, 12, go up to 112 by 15, and that's going to be extrude, cut or trim, miss one, there we go, and done. Hide you. And there's that part done. Excellent. That is actually done. That is part 5-17, the Sump Oil Drain Bush, done for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. So that part will actually go over. That part will go. Oh, I never put a hole back in that. Oh, let me fix that right now. I forgot I never put the hole in that. Let me go on this part here. We want normal, sketch. Let me zoom in. Let me go to hidden lines. There we go. So we want, that's going to be 15. 15. That's going to be 15 from, that's going to be 12, sorry, from there to there, 12. And that's going to be, where's the halfway point? That one, and that one will be not too good. Okay, not that one. Maybe that one. Nope. Okay, 79.5. Let's go halfway. 79.5, feature, extrude, cut, and through all, and done. That one, there we go. Okay, close that one down. Rebuild, why didn't that rebuild? Ah, it's on this side. Let me bring that one in to about there. Now we want mate this to rotate. Beautiful. Now we want that cylinder to that cylinder. There we go. Now it fits in there's a gap. Beautiful. It's not hitting anything. Excellent. That part's in there. Okay, that part is done. So that's definitely worked in good. So I hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. Do appreciate it. Thanks for everyone's support. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.